Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a simple but very useful trick on Telegram for PC. If you've ever wanted your notifications to be a bit more private, maybe without showing the sender's name, this update makes it possible with just a few quick steps. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust your notification settings so that only the message preview shows without revealing who it's from. Let's get started. First, open up your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and ready, because we'll be navigating through the main menu. Once you're in, look at the very top of your screen. In the upper left corner of the app, you'll see three horizontal lines. Think of this as the main menu button. Go ahead and click on those three lines. From here, a menu will slide out, giving you several options. Look for the one labeled Settings and click on it. In Settings, you'll find everything from appearance to privacy controls. But for today, we're focusing on notification preferences. Next, inside Settings, select the option called Notifications and Sounds. This is where Telegram stores all the features for controlling how alerts appear when you receive messages. Now scroll down a bit until you see the option labeled Name. This setting controls whether or not the name of the person sending you a message shows up in your notifications. By default, it's usually enabled. To keep things more private, all you have to do is uncheck the box next to Name. And just like that, you've made the change. From now on, when a message notification pops up, you'll see the preview of the text without revealing who sent it. It's a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference, especially if you share your screen, use Telegram at work, or simply want more privacy. That's it. A quick and easy way to disable names and Telegram notifications on PC. If you found this helpful, try it out right now and keep your chats a little more private.